The resolution that was taken by the Finance Committee was that there will be a 30-day period during which Treasury will examine whether there are other options other than through a VAT increase where we can fill the gap of about 13.5 billion rand.
Uhambo lukaMengameli U-Ramaphosa eSoweto boluyingxenye yohlelo lokuzivuselela kabusha kwe-ANC nokuqinisekisa ukuxhumana nomphakathi.
This is in an effort to reconnect the ANC with our communities and to make sure that we address the challenges and the problems that our communities are having to deal with. And this, in my view, is the best way of making sure that we are getting ready for the 2026 elections.
Ephendula imibuzo yabezindaba mayelana nencwadi yamalungu omkhakha wezamabhizinisi ayibhalele uRamaphosa nomholi weDemocratic Alliance uJohn Steenhuisen lapho ebezwakalisa ukukhathazeka kwawo ngongaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwalezi inhlangano ezimbili kuhulumeni weGNU. uRamaphosa uqinisekise ukuthi angeke bavumele ukulawulwa abathile kuhulumeni wobumbano.
Business does not dictate what happens. One in government does not dictate what happens in the ANC that I lead. We take our own decisions based on our considerations of everything that will advance the interests of our people.
Ikomiti eliphezulu le-ANC kulindeleke ukuthi kusasa libambe umhlangano ozodingida ngezinto okuphakathi kuzo nekusasa likahulumeni weGNU.